Given the equation negative x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals 1, graph the function f of x equals negative x squared minus 6x minus 7, and find where f of x equals 1. Just to be efficient, use technology and record your graph here with the solution points marked. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph f of x equals negative x squared minus 6x minus 7. Let's also graph f of x equals 1. I should get a couple of graphs right here. There's my vertex, some intercepts. Okay, so let's go over here. And it looks like not very much of this is on top. So let's make that a little bit thinner and a little bit straighter. All right, let's go by 2s. All right, let's plot some points. We have a point at negative 3, 2, which is right here. We have those two values at negative 2 and negative 4. And then here's our line at y equals 1. It's going to go through both of those. Get our points back. It's probably going to be hard to graph these points right here, but we could probably get some integer values. This looks like there's a point here at negative 5, negative 2. Yep, that's a good one. And then there should be another one right here. Should be 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Let's get our quadratic. Do purple this time. And let's make sure this is like this. Okay, there's our quadratic. Let's add a line of symmetry in for good measure. Okay. All right, so we've got our graph.